If you're waiting for the pink and blue lines to open, their opening has come one step closer. Even though all major civil contracts of these lines had been awarded long back, one major contract was still pending of rolling stock, or simply the trains that will run on the line. BMRCL invited bids to procure 318 new metro coaches for both pink and blue lines in September 2022. The brief scope of this tender involves the design, manufacture, supply, installation, testing, and commissioning of 318 numbers of standard gauge metro cars and the training of personnel up to 15 years. This contract is being funded by the Japan International Cooperation Agency, or JICA, with whom the Government of India signed Rs 3,717 crore loan agreement in March 2021. Of the 318 metro coaches of the pink and blue lines, 96 coaches are for the pink line, which will form 16 6-car train sets, and the remaining 222 coaches are going to be for the blue line. These will form 37 6-car train sets. Of the 222 metro coaches of the blue line, 96 coaches, which will form 16 6-car train sets, will be for Phase 2A, and the remaining 126 coaches, which will form 21 6-car train sets for Phase 2B. So to summarize, of these 318 coaches or of 53 6-car train sets, 96 coaches forming 16 6-car train sets will be for the pink line. 96 coaches forming 16 6-car train sets will be for Phase 2A of the blue line, and the remaining 126 coaches forming 21 6-car train sets will be for the blue line. So blue line will get a total of 222 coaches or 37 6-car train sets. So 4 firms, Alstom, BEML, CAF, a Spain-based company, and Titagarh Wagons have bid to supply these 318 metro coaches. This was revealed in February 2023, and the financial bids for each of these firms were opened by BMRCL in May 2023. So BEML quoted the lowest bid of Rs 3,176.43 crores. Therefore, each car or each coach will cost Rs 9.99 crores. This was followed by Alstom, which quoted Rs 3,821.01 crores. So each car will cost Rs 12.02 crores. Titagarh Wagons quoted Rs 4,686.14 crores. This means that the cost of each car will be Rs 14.74 crores. And CAF quoted Rs 4,757.34 crores, Rs 14.96 crores for each car. As we can see, BEML has the lowest bidder for this contract. BEML has quoted much lower compared to other firms, and following the delay in bidding, it is highly likely that BEML will win this contract. Now these trains will be lightweight. They will be equipped with CBTC technology, and thus unattended train operation will be possible for these trains. One thing to note is that even though BEML has emerged as the lowest bidder, the contract hasn't been awarded yet. Now we might see the contract being signed in the third quarter of the year, that is from July to September of the year, and the first train set rolling out in early 2025 from BEML's factory, that is if BEML wins. And most probably the Kothanoor depot will be the recipient of this first train. The Kothanoor depot is the depot of the pink line, and pink line is in a more advanced stage of construction than the blue line. And that is why it is said that Kothanur depot should receive the first train set from this contract. Some of you may be wondering when the yellow and the expanding purple and green line trains will be coming. That is, the tender floated long back for 216 coaches for the yellow line, the purple line and green lines. So as we know, CRRC Nanjing Puzhen was awarded the contract to supply 216 metro coaches. However, they weren't able to form a tie-up with a domestic manufacturer or set up a factory in India. As a result, this contract was about to be terminated. However, CRRC managed to tie up with Titagarh Wagons, which is the Kolkata-based firm, and Titagarh Wagons has also bid for the 318 metro coach contract. Now finally, this CRRC Titagarh tie-up is supplying 216 metro coaches for the yellow, pink and green lines. But then when will these trains arrive? As per a BMRCL official, the first 2 trains of the contract will come in August from China, and the additional train sets will start arriving from September from Titagarh Wagons. So with this, all the rolling stock contracts have been done and rolling stock has been arranged for phase 2, entire phase 2, 2A and 2B. Hope you liked this video. For more updates and detailed videos, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you very much.